What's up everyone, today we're reviewing WithU, a fitness app that has been getting attention for its audio-based coaching approach. But does it actually help you get fit, or is it just another forgotten subscription? Let's find out. So WithU is an award-winning fitness app available on both iOS and Android that builds personalized workout plans around your goals, lifestyle, and schedule. The unique feature is its audio-based coaching. You get expert guidance through headphones without needing to watch a screen during workouts. Some of its key features. The app offers thousands of workouts covering strength, training, cardio, yoga, mobility, and more. All workouts are led by world-class coaches who guide you through every rep via audio. You can work out at home, in the gym, or outdoors without constantly looking at your phone. The interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, with workouts ranging from quick 10-minute sessions to longer, more intense programs. It's designed for all fitness levels, from complete beginners to experienced athletes. But does it actually work? Here's the honest answer. Yes, WithU can definitely help you get fit if you use it consistently. The app itself is legitimate and well designed. Users who tested it for 30 days reported positive experiences with the intuitive design and effective workouts. The audio coaching format is particularly great for people who find video workouts distracting or prefer outdoor training like running or cycling. The personalized plans adapt to your progress, which helps maintain motivation. Now let's look at its pros. It is a legitimate award-winning app with quality content. Audio-based coaching lets you focus on form without screen distractions. Thousands of workouts for all fitness levels. Works well for home, gym, or outdoor training. Supportive community and expert coaches. Trustpilot rating of 4 stars from real users show it's well received. However, it has some cons. It requires a paid subscription. It's not free after the trial period. Like any fitness app, results depend entirely on your consistency and effort. The app can't magically make you fit, you still have to do the work. Some users may prefer video demonstrations over audio-only guidance. The final verdict? Is it worth it? Yes, if you're committed to working out and prefer audio coaching. The app is well designed, has legitimate content, and users report positive results. Just remember, fitness apps are tools, not magic solutions. Your results depend on your consistency, not just the app itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.